Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about true about major depressive disorder is major depressive disorder. In this, there is abnormally diminished activity in the prefrontal cortex. Number one, there is abnormally diminished activity in prefrontal cortex. There is monoaminergic system disturbances are present and genetic predisposition is seen. Monoaminergic disturbances means there is disturbance in serotonin and norepinephrine. Differences are seen, and there is abnormally diminished activity in prefrontal cortex. So these are true statements about major depressive disorder. Thank you, and thank you for watching.